Greetings from me to you. Ṣàlàáfíà ni. Ṣé dáadáa ni mo bá yín. I believe you are doing fine, and I welcome you to our Yoruba class once again. I remain Agbanimu Tumise. In case you are new here, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. It's a way of encouraging us. Thank you very much. On our last teaching, we look at how we express future tense in Yoruba language. The teaching before that, we looked at how we express continuous tense in Yoruba language. And I believe the two lessons have been able to help your Yoruba vocabulary. All right, today we are going to look at farming in Yoruba language, agriculture. What do we call farmer in Yoruba? What do we call cutlass in Yoruba? Yes. So let's just go straight to the teaching. All right. Farming is iṣẹ́ àgbẹ̀. Iṣẹ́ is work. Iṣẹ́ àgbẹ̀. Àgbẹ̀. Although the name àgbẹ̀ is farmer in Yoruba language. Farmer is àgbẹ̀. A farmer is àgbẹ̀. Is an àgbẹ̀ in Yoruba language. A farmer is àgbẹ̀ in Yoruba language. So farming is iṣẹ́ àgbẹ̀. Iṣẹ́ is work. Àgbẹ̀ is farmer. So we have iṣẹ́ àgbẹ̀ in Yoruba language. Farm is oko. Farm is oko in Yoruba language. All right, let's mention other people that are involved in farming. You know, we have people who are into fishery, into piggery, you know, people that are doing poultry, you know. So all those ones, like somebody who is into fishery is àgbẹ̀ ẹlẹ́ja, àgbẹ̀ ẹlẹ́ja, or we say àgbẹ̀ ẹja, àgbẹ̀ ẹlẹ́ja, àgbẹ̀ ẹlẹ́ja. Piggery we say àgbẹ̀ ẹlẹ́dẹ̀, àgbẹ̀ ẹlẹ́dẹ̀. All right. Poultry we say àgbẹ̀ aládìyẹ, àgbẹ̀ aládìyẹ, àgbẹ̀ aládìyẹ. All right, you know what, those ones, they are not really common to us before now. I mean in Yoruba language. So the general name for all of them is àgbẹ̀. Iṣẹ́ àgbẹ̀. It is because when we are introduced to English that we are now hearing poultry, fishery, that we try to bring out the names. Okay, let's look at some of things that we use in farming. Some of them don't really have direct names in Yoruba language. Like all those big machines and vehicles, tractors, all of them that we use. They don't want lórúkọ Yorùbá. Lórúkọ Yorùbá, because we were not using them. They were invented and brought to us, so we don't really have direct name for them. But the simple ones that we know, yes, those ones that we know before, like cutlass is ada, cutlass ada. Ọkọ́, ọkọ́. Axe, àáké, axe, àáké. Shovel is ṣọ́bìrì, ṣọ́bìrì. Bá a ṣe ń pè nìyẹn, bẹ́ẹ̀ ni, yes, ṣọ́bìrì, yes. But we still call it shovel. Lọ mú shovel wá fún mi. Go and bring shovel for me. Yes. The rake is rake, from the name rake. You know rake, we don't know it too. After we cut our grass, we just use either our hand, or we use the cutlass, or we use even broom to gather it and we burn. So rake came to us later, so we call it rake, or we call it rake. Now lọ mú rake wá fún mi. Àwọn tá gbóyìnbó díẹ̀ báyìí, lọ mú rake wá fún mi. So it is still acceptable. All right, the process of cutting, burning, all those ones. So let's just talk about them. Cutting is roko, ko gé, ko roko, or gé oko, or roko. After gé oko now, you gather it. Process of gathering is gbàjọ. You gather it, gbàjọ. You sweep it together, gbàjọ. You burn. Burning is sun oko. Dáná sun. Burn is sun oko. That is dáná sun. Dáná, iná is fire. So dáná sun oko. So after that, process of you normally make this big heap. We call it ebe. We call it ebe. The process of doing the heap is what we call ebe. So we plant. Planting is is called gbin, gbin, gbin. The seed that we gbin, the seed that we sow is gbin. The seed that we sow is irúgbìn, irúgbìn, irúgbìn. All right. Another process can be harvesting. Harvesting is ìkórè, kórè, kórè, kórè. All right. You know, kórè, when the plant has germinated and you want to harvest, it's called kórè. Okay. Other things that we use like fertilizer, you know, like manure, most of them were introduced to us later on. Yes. So fertilizer, there is no direct name for fertilizer. Excuse me. No direct Yoruba name for fertilizer, but we can call it from the function it performs. You say ohun tó mú irúgbìn dàgbà dáadáa, ohun tó mú irúgbìn dàgbà dáadáa. That is something that makes your plant to grow very well, that makes your plant to germinate very well. Yeah, that is how we call it. Okay, let's talk about some food. I'll just mention those ones that are common. Yes, some food, you know, direct, you know, the food that we get directly from farm. Like rice is ìrẹsì, ìrẹsì. Although we can call it rice, rice, but that is not very acceptable. Ìrẹsì. We call it rice now these days, yes, but the Yoruba name is ìrẹsì. Beans is ẹ̀wà, beans, ẹ̀wà. Cassava, pákí or ẹ̀gẹ́. Two of them are correct. Pákí or ẹ̀gẹ́. Yam, iṣu, yam, iṣu. Cocoyam, cocoa, cocoyam, cocoa. I said I would just mention direct food that direct food that we just get from the farm, just directly, not those ones that we have to process, you know, like bread and all that, you know, just direct food from farm. Okay, then fish is ẹja, fish, ẹja, all types of fish. Ẹja lẹja ń jẹ́, ẹja. Then animal is ẹranko, ẹranko, ẹranko. Meat is ẹran, meat, ẹran. Animal generally is ẹranko in Yoruba language. Let's go ahead and mention some fruits. I'll just mention those ones that are common to us. Cashew in English is still cashew in Yoruba. Mango is mangoro, mangoro. Orange is ọsàn, orange, ọsàn. Banana, ọ̀gẹ̀dẹ̀, banana, ọ̀gẹ̀dẹ̀. Plantain is ọ̀gẹ̀dẹ̀ àgbagbà, àgbagbà tó tóbi dáadáa. Ọ̀gẹ̀dẹ̀ àgbagbà. Pineapple is ọ̀pẹ òyìnbó, ọ̀pẹ òyìnbó. Garden egg is ìgbá, ìgbá. Garden egg is ìgbá. Corn is àgbàdo, corn is àgbàdo. Cherry is àgbálùmọ́, àgbálùmọ́. Grape is still ọsàn, grape is ọsàn. Ọsàn wẹ́wẹ́, lemon, or ọsàn, lemon is ọsàn wẹ́wẹ́. Even lime is still ọsàn wẹ́wẹ́. Yes, apple is apple. You know, apple is not common to us here. We just, you know, it was brought to us. So apple is apple. Watermelon is watermelon. No direct Yoruba name. Yes, some other fruit also like beetroot, like cabbage, like cucumber. Kò sí Yoruba orúkọ o, kò sí orúkọ Yoruba bẹ́ẹ̀ ni. Yes, because we were not really familiar with them, you know, at the onset of Yoruba language. So those ones that we are familiar with have told us their names. Soil is ilẹ̀, soil is ilẹ̀, or we can say, you can call it iyẹ̀pẹ̀, iyẹ̀pẹ̀, different soil, iyẹ̀pẹ̀. Garden is ọgbà, garden is ọgbà. And how do we greet a farmer? Àròkò bọ́dún dé o, àròkò bọ́dún dé o, àròkò bọ́dún dé o. That's how we greet a farmer. You know, I told you when we were doing the topic, greeting Yoruba language, that Yoruba language, we have greeting for almost everything that we do. Aroko, Bodun, that's how we greet a farmer. Yes, today we have come to the end of our teaching, and I believe you enjoyed the teaching and you have been able to, understand more about farming in Yoruba language. I remain Agbanimutumise, and before I go, please subscribe if you are yet to do so. Like I usually say, Yoruba language is my identity. Thank you. Bye bye.